Another thing you got to watch out for this morning is the roads.
Yeah, we have seen a few problems. You can see right there at the bottom of your screen some of the school closings we are now getting, primarily in the northwest corner of our viewing area, northwest Jackson County. I saw Trico in there. Cobden also listed. Again, those are maybe some hilltops and some areas that have a little bit more icing that is ongoing right now across the region. Kind of hard to break down this entire map. We do have winter weather advisories mainly across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri this morning until 9 a.m. And then later this afternoon, we have more winter weather advisories that go into effect across western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, and even an ice storm warning that does encompass parts of northwest Tennessee, including Weakley County in northwest Tennessee. Those go into effect later on today. Multiple waves of winter weather expected. The main concern here over the next few days is going to be freezing rain. And we're talking about light amounts, but don't let that fool you, as sometimes light amounts can cause significant problems here in the region. The freezing line continuing to work its way to the south and the east. Still, though, across Gallatin, Hardin, parts of Pope County, we're seeing primarily just rain. Saw a report here recently out of Massac County that they're just seeing rain at this point, too. Now, farther to the west, temperatures are quite a bit colder, say from Pinckneyville southward to Murfreesboro, even DuQuoin and Carbondale to Mount Vernon, West Frankfort, Benton to Marion. Temperatures into the upper 20s and lower 30s, below freezing. So what we're seeing is freezing rain. There's a few good pockets here. One of those getting ready to move right back into DuQuoin. Another one getting ready to move into the western side of Murfreesboro as we speak. So it is going to pick back up. Again, light icing is possible this morning. Southward, temperatures warmer into Kentucky, so we are seeing all just rain. But farther west across southeast Missouri to southern Bollinger County, from about Marble Hill to Advance to Arab and over towards the Mingo Swamp and Puxico area, also picking up on a couple light freezing rain showers. 29 in Mount Vernon, 28 in Carbondale, meanwhile 32 in Harrisburg. These are going to be the areas, northwest corner of our viewing area, that if we see any problems on roads, that is where it's likely to occur. Farther to the south and east, less in the way of concerns, at least at this point through this morning. A live view from Carbondale this morning, reporting 28 degrees there. Notice the road mainly just wet, but mainly some of those elevated surfaces here over the next couple of hours where we could see some problems develop. But the next couple of days, multiple waves of light freezing rain, possibly occasionally some sleet mixed in. Finally, by Wednesday, things start to quiet back down just a bit. But we are going to be tracking us through at least the next 24 to 36 hours. Lunchtime, we catch a bit of a break and notice maybe some light patchy freezing drizzle across southeast Missouri. But by 3 o'clock, the next wave moving in. Some of this actually could be pretty heavy. Freezing rain, temperatures hovering near freezing, Cape Girardeau southward. The next wave will be primarily focused in some of our southern counties. We're really thinking along and south of the Ohio River. Lesser chances northward, especially from Route 13 north to the I-64 corridor. But as we see temperatures upper 20s this evening, again, freezing rain possible. We could once again see some significant icing occurring across western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel. Daybreak Tuesday, it's getting out of here pretty quickly, but yet another wave possible then Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening in some of our southern counties. The heaviest amounts of ice over the next couple of days will be near the Kentucky-Tennessee line, also the Missouri Boot Heel. 1/10 of an inch, maybe up to 2/10 of an inch of ice possible. Not enough that we're really concerned with power outages. But again, these small icing events can cause some significant travel problems in the region. And it's not like the big snowstorms where you look out the window and you can see it. It's one of those things where you're driving down the road and the road may be wet and then you get into one of those slick spots and the road is very icy. But upper 20s will do it for highs on Tuesday. We're back in the 30s on Wednesday, mid 40s on Thursday with a chance for a couple more showers in some of our southern counties. Drop back a few degrees towards the end of the week, but then quickly bouncing back up. Let's just get through the next couple of days, Dave, all right? By Saturday, Sunday, we're talking temperatures approaching 50.
I think I can hold on until then.
Yeah, I just hate ice. Ice is the worst.
Yeah, I know, it's so dangerous.